That amendment title proposal has been submitted by the League of Women Voters of Arkansas. The group says that previous ballot initiatives have faced extended delays and have also had their titles questioned, prompting the need for this constitutional amendment to talk about some of these problems. The League of Women Voters of Arkansas says direct democracy allows people the right to propose, vote on, and enact laws or constitutional amendments independently. The group says there have been questions in recent years about the transparency, fairness, and accountability of the state's ballot initiative process, often leaving citizens feeling frustrated and unheard as they work to get their ballot proposal approved, something known as the initiative and referendum process in Arkansas.
And over the years, the General Assembly has changed it. There have been some loopholes discovered in the amendment since it was written in 1910.
Prompting the League of Women Voters and Advocates of Direct Democracy to file a ballot title for a proposed amendment with the Arkansas Attorney General this week. It would ensure the ballot initiative process is as smooth as possible for people going forward. Attorney General Tim Griffin's office tells us he will now review the ballot title proposal and decide whether the league can move forward with collecting the 90,000 plus signatures needed before July 5th to get it on the November ballot.
So the Attorney General has 10 business days to respond. Historically, he takes 10 business days to respond. So I suspect that we'll hear from him on February the 21st.
The proposed amendment would bar the Arkansas General Assembly from amending or repealing any constitutional amendment approved by a vote of the people. It would also strictly enforce the 10-day response from the Attorney General regarding approval or any changes that need to be made.
And what this does is it just solidifies the rights of the people and makes it more difficult for the General Assembly to continue its process of taking the people's rights away.
Now, if the league gets the go-ahead, then it will begin trying to collect these 90,000 plus signatures that it would need by July the 5th. And if they get all those signatures, then it would indeed be on the ballot this coming November. The league is going to be hosting a signature collection seminar on Zoom this coming Thursday at 5:30. Live in Washington County tonight, Chip Scarborough, 4029 News.